For the last 5 months, researchers across the world have been working around the clock to get a vaccine against COVID. As of this minute, 22 vaccines are in the clinical trial stage, 2 of which are from India. Tonight, a group of experts are joining me in 2 minutes to discuss the global efforts for an affordable vaccine and by when. Before that, here's a look at who's leading the race.
Our health workers are racing against time. As of this minute, over 9 lakh Indians have been infected by the coronavirus, and the need for a vaccine is more dire than ever. The Drugs Controller General of India has permitted 2 vaccines, one developed by Bharat Biotech International Limited and the other by Zydus.
They have got their sites ready and they are doing the clinical study on approximately 1,000 human volunteers each at different sites. Some have got 12 sites, some have got 6 sites, so that's it. They are trying to do the early clinical testing for these 2 candidate indigenous.
With over 13 million cases worldwide, countries are in a vaccine race. The latest to claim a breakthrough was Russia. A university is aiming for a vaccine launch by next month.
We all hope there will be an effective vaccine, but we need to focus on using the tools we have now to suppress transmission and save lives.
But even as pharma giants claim a breakthrough, the next challenge will be to ensure that the vaccine reaches all.
Right now, there is no vaccine for either developing countries or for upper middle income countries or for some high income countries that don't have bilateral deals. We're trying to solve that problem. Now, in solving that problem, what we've basically said is we will make doses available to low-income countries and lower middle-income countries at the same time as upper middle-income and high-income countries.
Time is running out. Nations have been under lockdown, and as we slowly open up to keep the economy running, only a vaccine will ensure unimpeded growth post the COVID era. Let's debate.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.